So this is the tight cover over it, and this is the spacious cover. See how tight it is. You have to wriggle a little. This one goes flush over it. If you don't upside down, it falls over. But this is really tight. It doesn't fall over. So it depends on what you want to use it for. You know, this basic design, you can use it for really large baskets for keeping laundry in, really large boxes for keeping your kids' toys, really large boxes for keeping books and items you want to gift to people. So they're not just for gifts. You can also use them as storage boxes. This is good for storage box. This is good for something you want to quickly remove and keep. This is good for presents. You know, it's very, very firm, very firm. So, but this is the one we're gonna apply the bow onto. So I want to show you how to apply bow onto the cover. So we have a really accessorized gift box.